Hey guys. So before we get started with today's video, I just want to say thank you to every single person out there that has been watching my videos because I told everybody 3 months ago that I was a YouTube partner again, but then YouTube informed me that I had to get 1,000 more watch hours, which is not easy to do, but I did it. But you did it. You are the one who watched, so thank you so much because I am not only a YouTube partner again, but now I was able to monetize my videos, which is why you're going to see ads on my videos now because it is very expensive to do a YouTube channel, especially when you're in the beauty community. And of course, the money has to come from somewhere to buy the makeup. And the money that I get from YouTube that they get from their ad revenue is what pays for it. So for the last 3 months, I've spent a lot of money buying makeup out of my own pocket. And thank you. I just wanted to say thank you to each and every one of you for watching my videos. Okay, so today we are talking about a new collection by LA girl called Beauphoria. And as soon as I saw the pictures, I knew I had to have it. It is beautiful. And I did not buy every single piece in the collection, but I bought the ones that interested me the most. So I bought the highlighter. This is like the star. This is the highlighter. It's called Dazzle in a Daze. But how beautiful is that? Oh my God, it's so stunning. Gorgeous. And I also bought the palette. This is the palette, Beauphoria. And in the palette, you get eyeshadows, a blush, and a highlighter. And I'm definitely using the separate highlighter. I'm not using that gold one that's in there. But that is the palette. But wait, there's more. There is a holographic lip gloss set. Now, I don't know if you guys remember the holographic lip gloss that came with the shade shifter collection. I just bought that not too long ago actually, and absolutely loved it and wore it like 3 videos in a row because it was so beautiful. Well, they released a lip gloss set with this collection, so you get a white and 2 different shades of pink. You get like a true pink and then you get like a peachy pink. And then the white is like iridescent and it has all different colors in it. So that is what we have for products. If you're new here and you haven't seen my videos before, what I usually do is put on some products before I start reviewing and trying the new products. So I already have on quite a few products, and everything that I use for products is always listed in the description box if you want to know what I've applied so far. So we're going to start with the new products though. So let's start with this gorgeous highlighter. I'm going to grab a highlighter brush and put some of that on. Actually, no, I should start with blush, right? You know what? Let's do it in reverse. There's no rules with makeup, right? I'm just dying to see this. Okay, now this is a pink highlighter, so not showing up as much as I thought it would. There we go. Now I see it. Okay. Now I see it. Okay. All right, so next I should definitely do blush because usually you do blush before highlighter. So this is like a mauve type color. So I'm going to grab this blush brush and dip my brush in there. So that's just a nice natural mauve color. We're going to blend that right into that highlighter. I would say that is a warm mauve. Pull it back a little, or pull it forward a little, I should say. Okay, so I've already primed my eyes, so we're going to go right into the eyeshadows. Now, when I look at this palette, you know my tastes and things if you've been with me for a while, so you know that this is the side of the palette that my eyes are drawn to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some of this peachy mauve shade down first. So I'm going to just use this large shadow brush and pick up some of that. And I'm going to put that all over my lid and into the crease. So that's going to be our base color. Now, I don't know if you can tell, but the other shades on this side of the palette are very, very shimmery. This one, this one, this one. This one is more like a satin finish, but this are all very shimmery. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this brush here, and I'm just going to press my brush into that, and we're going to do the brow bone highlight. So yeah, this is very glittery. And just a little bit in the inner corner. Okay. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take another similar brush, and I'm going to go into this satiny type shade. It's like a plum, and just put a little bit of that in the outer part of this eye area. And this is quite pigmented, so I'm just going to do a little at a time here. Now those other shades are very shimmery, and sometimes it's hard to pick up shimmer shadows with a brush. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this brush here, and we're going to go into this shade here, and I'm just going to pick up some of that product on my brush, and I'm going to take my Milani setting spray and just spray my brush, one pump, and then we're going to layer that on top of that other lid shade. Oh, that is so pretty. And that's just going to make it stick so that it doesn't end up all over my face, because I've already done all my face products. Oh, that's so pretty. Love it. All right, let's go into this small detail brush now and go back into that plum shade. And I'm going to drag that along the lower lash line. Like that. Okay, now the shade that I just put on top, that shimmery shade, has got purple in it. So I'm going to take this LA Girl Pastel Dream Auto Liner in the shade Lavender. I showed this in a video that I did recently. And I'm just going to run that on my waterline. This is not part of the collection. It's part of their permanent line. Yeah, these are so pretty. Okay. Just gonna curl my lashes. Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. Wipe off the excess. So that shade that I put on top is definitely a topper type eyeshadow. You wouldn't get any kind of opacity if you just tried to use that as a regular eyeshadow. So just keep that in mind. But that's why I feel like they gave you that peachy mauve color to use as a base. All right, I'm going to play catch up now and shut off the camera and do the other eye and come back and we're going to try out those lip glosses. All right, so eyes are done and I really think that glittery topper eyeshadow is so stunning, really beautiful. Kind of reminds me of some ColourPop shadows. Anyway, yeah, beautiful. Okay. So for lips, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my LA Colors Auto Lip Liner in the shade Pinky. By the way, I think LA Girl and LA Colors are owned by the same parent company, so this kind of makes sense that I would be using this. And I'm going to line my lips. Ooh. My lip liner keeps popping out of the tube. And I'm filling in my lips. This is such a great pink color liner. It's just a really pretty shade of pink. I found this at Walmart. All right, so these are the choices here. And I mean, the white is gorgeous, but if I'm doing pink lip liner filled in, it would make sense to do this. So which one should we go for? Let's do the lighter pink. And what is the name of this? Where is the name? It says LA Girl Beauphoria Holographic Lip Gloss. I don't see any name on here. I know they do have names though. Oh, Wonder, there it is. Okay, this one is called Wonder. Oh, it smells like cake. I like it when companies make things cake flavored or cake scented. Are you ready? Oh, can you see that? Oh my God. Oh my God, you guys. This is just like that other one that I bought. It's so beautiful. Gonna put a little bit more on the top lid. Oh, look at the way the light catches that. Oh my God. I am so glad I went out of my way to get this. By the way, if you're looking for this, this is an Ulta exclusive. So you won't find this anywhere other than Ulta. And it's at select Ultas. So make sure that you go on the website and do a store locator because not every Ulta is going to have this. But for me, the standouts were the highlighter. And by the way, what we're going to do is I'm going to take my Milani setting spray now and I'm going to spray my face so we can see what that highlighter looks like with setting spray on it, because that should make it pop even more. And let's dry it a little bit so we don't get any weird droplets. Okay, yeah, see, now you can see the glow better. So yeah, I love this color. I love pink highlighters, light pink highlighters, and they're very, very rare. It's got like silver and pink running through it. Let me swatch it on my finger so you can see. And also in the palette, you might have been curious about this shade because this is the only one that I did not use on that side. So let me just do a finger swatch so you can see what that looks like. So that looks like it could be very interesting too. Yeah, that's pretty too. But I really like the one that I used. Um, I like this one too though. And these lip glosses are fantastic, you guys. The one that I already showed recently was a purple, like a lavender. So there is the one that I just got recently. So I've got two pinks, a white, and a purple now. Yay! I love this formula of this lip gloss, and it appears to be the same thing. So yeah, the lip glosses I think are probably my favorite thing out of all of them. Although this highlighter is quite unique, and I don't currently have anything in my collection that looks like that. So I think the eye look turned out really nice, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing. Hit the like button if you liked this collection. I like it a lot. I'm so glad I went out of my way to find it. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.